Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video, another review on the Mark II Seat Leon K1 numbered 190 of 450. Let's go.
Came back with a click clack, and a ting that's it, that's fresh like a tic tac. Any pagan ops that I rip down.
Se nós tem pensão demais, eu vou lá no salmo, me chama de pai. Na igrejinha me chama de pai. Se eu e como ficar rico se nós
do a walk around of the full car, starting from the exterior. Obviously it's the K1, so it's got the K1 bumper, it's got the K1 rear bumper, it's obviously got the newer badge, it's got the rotiform 19-inch wheels. They're a bit scuffed at the moment, but when you do wash it they come out really good. It's got little sweeping indicators, a bit of carbon on the wing mirror, we've got wind deflectors on, we've got a splitter running down the bottom side skirt, whatever you want to call it, coming around the back. Obviously on the spoiler we've got a little lip, we've got, shall we call it, the shark fins with the famous center exhaust. Again, the newer badge on the Cupra. It looks absolutely lovely, fat and chunky from the back. And then obviously coming round this side is more or less the same. Sits really lovely on these wheels. The brake calipers obviously are in white as well. They've got Cupra written on them. And that's about it for the exterior. Let's talk about the engine and then go into the interior. Right, so let's talk about the heart of this engine. Now, it's not a normal engine. It's an S3 engine running a stage 2 tune. That's 344 brake horsepower. It's got a Satch clutch rated to 400 foot-pound of torque. It's also got an RS4 fuel valve, VIS motorsport pump and internals. We've got an oversized ram air induction kit, a 3-inch custom turbo back exhaust, 3-inch downpipe by Miltech. It's got a load of stuff on it. I'm gonna put that up on the screenshots so you can see what it's done. It's been modded heavily. Like I said, 344 brake horsepower. Serious piece of kit. Now, what you all want to hear is how it sounds. So let's turn it on. We'll do a front shot, then we'll go to the rear. Right, enough of the talking. Let's put this K1 to work. Boy, does she fly. His battery is going to run out soon. I'll give you a few revs while we're at standstill. This car just screams, give me more. It reminds me of a Type R when you're hitting VTEC. It's just screaming and pulling all the way, constant. There's no drop of power at all. Right, so let's talk about the way this car rides handle ECT. So it's on VMAX adjustable coilovers. The setup has been made perfect. It is a bit hard, but what do you expect? It's also got a short shifter, the 19-inch wheels which don't rub. He had Porsche wheels on before this when he bought the car, and obviously they rub, so he swapped them for these. And I think these sit perfectly, look brilliant, and do a fantastic job. It's a joy to drive, especially the burbles. It absolutely sounds epic. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find somewhere quiet to do a drive-by for you so you can actually hear the way this car sounds. Right, so let's do a quick inside. Obviously it's got a boost gauge as well. Obviously that goes higher when you're driving. It's got the facelift heater climate control. Obviously it's got a aftermarket screen. That's the new technology. What else I love is these Cupra signs and these seats. They are so comfortable, and the best thing about them is the way they look from the rear. But other than that, it's a normal Seat, and there you have it. But yeah, that is it from the inside. We've also got an S3 there. So yeah, that is it for this K1. So that's the S3. Sounds nice. Not bad for a DSG, but not of a style. We like like the manual 6 speed. Right, so that concludes this review of this absolutely beautiful machine. Stage 2. What a brilliant car. Absolute brilliant piece of cake. All the mods that I've done have suited this car very well. The way it looks, the whole, I'm lost for words. Like I said to you, you can't describe, you have to drive this car. It's not a normal K1. And then what tops it off, it's got that S3 engine souped up to the max. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Take care, and I will see you on the next video, guys.